use me. Pour me on your face. Oh, अच्छा. Just like इसमें क्या जादू है मेरे को देखने का है. Time is money. Today. Hi guys, this is Bosslady Shruti and today I have something that I've really been testing out and I cannot wait to share this with you guys. And honestly, I've been getting quite a few requests to share like skincare routine, but the reason why I've been putting it off so much is because when I was moving and I was moving houses, I was moving countries, so all of this kind of did take quite a lot of toll on my skin, and I have really oily, acne prone skin. So anyways, it's a little sensitive to stress and to weather change and all of that. So I went through a journey there for a little bit, and I feel like my skin, I feel like because I was living in the UAE, I was just used to getting a few products that I would get at the local stores there, which are obviously not available here. And I remember having the same problem when I moved to Dubai as well, because I was just like, "Arey yaar, that toner that I just need that one. Abhi main kya karu? Yahan pe nahi hai to." So I was just in that transition phase. But I have now come to a point where I'm quite down with my skincare routine, and there's just one thing in my routine that has made such a difference that I wanted to share it with you guys. So when it comes to skincare, I like to keep the basics pretty simple. I do my CTM, but I feel like there is one extra added step that I've tried to do here, which has really made the difference for me. Starting off with just like my cleansed face, I go ahead and use some toner, and once I'm done with that, I use the Loreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence. Honestly, I have been using this for a good 3 to 4 months at this point. I remember I got this at the end, like just when I came, so October, November, December, and we are in Jan right now. So I've tried this out for a good 3 months, and this is my second bottle. So you can see that this bottle is also like kind of 1/4 over, and I finished an entire bottle of this. So I do have to say, like the whole concept of adding an essence into my skincare routine was something that I was introduced to in the UAE. So when I went to UAE is when I really understood about essence, because people there really like invest a lot in skincare and do like the whole 10-step routine and all of that jazz. And when I came back here, I was like, oh my god, where am I going to get an essence, because it's such an essential, I know, play words, part of my skincare routine now. So that is when I saw literally everyone and their mother discuss about this on social media. I mean, I know I do content, but I'm also influenced by everyone that I watch. And when I saw so many people comment about this, I was like, I have to try this for myself. This product blew my mind. This is such an innovative thing. Literally how I like using it is pouring a couple of drops of this in my palm, and I just like pat it on my skin just so that I cover my whole face with this essence. And the texture of it is so lightweight, and it's literally water like, so it gets absorbed into your skin so beautifully and so quickly. Because honestly, I don't have time in the morning or at night when I'm just about to crash to like wait for my skincare to absorb into my skin. Like I'm just like, time is money. Today. So I like that I don't have to wait with this, and this has salicylic acid. That is why it is so great for acne prone skin. When I first got it, I didn't know it had salicylic acid in it. But then when it started working so well for me, I was just like, इसमें क्या जादू है मेरे को देखने का है? And then I realized it has salicylic acid in it. So I was like, oh, अच्छा. So the texture, the salicylic acid, and all of that goodness literally penetrates 10 layers deep into your skin, and I feel that claim is pretty right, because I then go in with my gel moisturizer, and I go in with this rose hip oil. I got this facial oil from the chemist. You can just go to the chemist and ask for rose hip oil, he'll give it to you. And the reason why I use rose hip oil is because it's great for acne prone skin. So once I take a few drops of this rose hip oil, I dab it all over my face. I like to give my face a workout. Everyone's getting older. Okay, even though 2020 was a waste of time and I don't want to add it to my number of years, but still time flies and you have to add that to your birthday cake. So once this oil is layered onto my skin, so what I like doing is that I will take my fingers in this claw kind of shape and really push the facial muscles upwards towards my ear in this upward motion, just to kind of give that blood flow a direction. Like, we want everything to stay up and taut and perky. So that is why we're going to move the facial muscles upwards. Then I'm going to take my same claw and press it against my jaw, and again taking it upwards towards my ear. This will give you that defined, chiseled jawline that I guess all of us like. After I'm done with this part of my face, I like to place my thumb over my laugh lines and really massage the area there, because your laugh lines give off age the quickest. And then I'm going to take my hands in this manner and really kind of push it upwards on my forehead towards my hairline, just to kind of give myself a sort of mini head massage. Honestly, this makes me feel so good at the end of the night. You might not know this, but your facial muscles can really hold a lot of stress. We don't tend to really, like, if you think about it, we don't really do anything which relieves the stress of our facial muscles. So when you do something like this, it really helps with the lymphatic drainage of your skin, and at the same time gives you that chiseled, perfect look. I feel like incorporating these steps have really helped me in my skincare currently, and I feel like the crystal micro essence really helps as a catalyst for all of my skincare products to work so beautifully when they are layered on top. I'm so happy that I found this, and the great thing is that this is available in 3 sizes, so you can take the smaller one if you're traveling or anything of that sort. And I think the packaging is kind of very chic. When I see it sitting in my bathroom in all its glory, I'm just like, hello, use me, pour me on your face. Just calls out to me. I love that aesthetic. So yeah, I think that is it. I will leave a link for this in the description box, and if any of you guys have used it, please do let me know your thoughts for it as well in the comment section down below. And if you guys have any other sort of facial exercises, I'm really like into it right now, so I would love to know a little more about any other facial exercises that I can do. So let your girl know. And I think that is it. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy. Mwah.